Is Crossover the right freelance platform for you? In this video, we'll dive into Crossover, connecting top-tier companies with highly skilled freelancers. Find the link below. Crossover isn't your typical freelance platform. It specializes in long-term, high-paying, remote, full-time roles with global companies for professionals in fields like software engineering, project management, sales, and finance. Forget short-term gigs. Crossover prioritizes stable employment. Crossover's rigorous recruitment process sets it apart. Instead of open bidding, expect skills tests, personality assessments, and time challenges. It's demanding, but it guarantees top-tier talent. Once accepted, Crossover matches you with relevant full-time positions at leading companies, often with excellent pay, bonuses, and even stock options. The platform itself is sleek and user-friendly, with regularly updated job listings and direct employer communication. If you're an experienced professional in tech, business, or another high-demand field seeking well-compensated, long-term freelance work, Crossover might be your perfect match. While competitive, the opportunities for those who succeed are substantial. Check the description below for more details and platform access.